Hey guys, I am here live today at one of our installations. We're installing a monument, which you see back there, and also this humongous blade. Now, I'm gonna walk so you can kind of see how big it is. It's huge. So that's kind of the scope of it there. You can kind of see it. But we also have, besides the monument, the blade, we're also installing at this new construction site letters that go on the wall as well. So we're here for the next 2 days installing at Caliza, a new construction property here in the Austin area. So I just wanted to give a shout out and show you guys what's going on right now for Robinson Creative. So on the road, we've got a lot of stuff going on and more to come. But this is it. We've got to, as you can see in the background there, and I'll get a closer shot, we've got to install the monument. So the base was done in advance, and you'll see that. I'll get some close-up shots of it. So the base was done in advance, and then we come in and lower the monument that's pre-constructed and fabricated onto the base, hook it up, because it's an internally lit monument, so it'll be illuminated for all to see, both night and day. So you can kind of see that, and the prospects can see this when they're driving down the street. They'll be able to see both the blade and the monument all illuminated, nice and bright at night. Because as you know, your sign has got to look good 24/7. It's got to look fantastic, so your prospects who may be out for the evening at a restaurant or driving during the night, they're going to see your sign, and so they can call you guys in the morning or during the day when they realize they just passed an incredible community and they've got to go in and check it out. So that's what's going on here. I'm going to give you a few more shots of the monument so you can see it up close and personal. It's really cool. Let me get over there so you can see that better. So they are actually right now, as you can see, they're welding the braces off of the pipe structure there. And then what's going to happen is once that's off, they'll cut the pipes down the sides, and then we'll lower the monument here that's already tied to that crane that you see up there. And then we'll be able to lower that down onto the pipes and secure it by welding. Let me just show you guys this. So this is a pretty cool thing. It's got some illumination. It's got a see-through, as you can see at the very bottom there, it's got a see-through window that allows you to kind of see through. It's also illuminated there. It's going to be really nice, so that orange color will light up at night. And then you can see here, these are push-through letters. So what happens is that these illuminate on the edges here at night. So this will light up and kind of glow. During the day, you can kind of see the letters during the day, but at night, they're gonna have this really nice illuminated effect, kind of a glowing effect. And I'm gonna see if you can see inside here. Oh, here you can, great. So you can kind of see, this is a one-sided sign, but you can see the post will come through there and be welded to the frame of the sign, and you can see the electrical on the other side there that William is getting together there and making sure that's secure before we install the whole monument. But yes, that is it. And then it's going to go right on top of this structure, so you can kind of see he's getting rid of those braces there. But that's about it. So thanks guys for joining me. I just thought I'd pop on really quick so you can kind of see kind of a day in the life of Robinson Creative and what's going on here. So we'll talk to you soon. Stay tuned. We'll post some pictures of everything all up and installed so you guys can see that too. So you can see the afters. All right, take care. We'll talk to you soon.